Hello everyone, today I have a Burston Prime build to showcase, a viral radiation heat build, and for the Incarnon itself, for the Incarnon form, weak points, hit charge Incarnon bar, and you can hit the ult fire to transmute the Burston to its Incarnon mode, where it gains an auto fire mode and will deal radial heat damage, kind of like a primary version of Laetum, in terms of how it shoots like. Now for Evolution 2, I took Forceful Finality, where it increases base damage by 42, and increases the base multi-shot on final magazine burst. For Evolution 3, I chose Kinetic Battle, where it reduces recoil by 50%. And for Evolution 4, I chose Fatal Affliction, where you gain 40% dark damage per status type affecting the target. Now for the build on the weapon itself, I have Galvanized Chamber for multi-shot, Galvanized Aptitude for status chance, and Gun Condition Overload, Shred for fire rate and punch through, Critical Delay for crit chance, Malignant Force and Rhyme rounds for viral, and status chance, Radiated Reload for radiation and a bit of reload speed. This reload speed will affect how fast the Incarnate form transformation animation happens, plus it gives you another status for that gun condition overload effect. And Vital Sense for critical damage. The arcane I've chosen here is just primarily merciless. Here are the stats of the weapon. Pretty good in both forms. Quick little message before I get into demonstrations. I'd really appreciate it if you could drop a like or subscribe, as that would help me out a ton. Thank you. Now, enemies I'll be demonstrating on is 20 Corrupted Heavy Gunners with Steel Path modifier on at enemy level 160. First, I'll just demonstrate the normal fire. You can see the ult fire gets charged pretty fast because you have a burst fire weapon. Just aim at their head once and you essentially have your whole bar filled. So as you can see, the normal fire does pretty well. Now, for the Incarnate form, has a massive magazine size of 600, so it'll last quite a while. And as you can see, it does pretty amazing. Has a small AoE, so it really won't hit too much in a massive area, but DPS is pretty insane. You can just melt your enemies pretty well. Right. One more time for demonstration. Once again, instantly charge up your Incarnate form, then you can just shoot a massive 600 ammo. Definitely just a fun weapon to use. And just hold down the button and keep spraying out bullets, and you'll be able to do that for so long too, because 600 ammo pool. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the build and you tried out yourself, because it's a pretty fun weapon. Thank you and goodbye.